Don't let mosquitoes ruin your outdoor gatherings because of damaged screens. Introducing the Screen Door Repair Kit, the professional solution that eliminates bugs instantly. Those tiny holes in your patio screens are an open invitation to every mosquito in the area. Now there's a proven fix that doesn't require expensive replacements or service calls. The Screen Door Repair Kit features premium fiberglass mesh tape that covers holes instantly, creating an impenetrable barrier against insects. This professional-grade solution works on window screens, door screens and screen porches. The weather-resistant adhesive withstands rain and humidity for lasting protection. Application is simple and fast. Just cut to size, apply over the hole and smooth down. No tools required, no mess, no complicated procedures. The high-quality fiberglass construction is stronger than most original screens, ensuring your repairs last longer than the surrounding material. Restore your outdoor space to the bug-free environment you deserve. Order your Screen Door Repair Kit today.